Sometimes removing door handles can be very frustrating, but if you know exactly how they come apart, it's a lot easier. So today I'm going to give you a few tips on mid-90s, late 90s Chevy Silverado trucks, how the door handle comes off. But before we go at that, getting this door handle off, I want to show you how the clips come apart from the inside. So let me set up a little display and I'll be right back. So behind the door handle you have some linkage, and I just want to show you what type of clips that they used. They use these style clips here that slide on to the linkage and it snaps right here. So this actually, you can push through here or you can pry this up and then slide the clip off like that. So the way they go on is just clip like that, and the way they come off is like that. So that's how the linkage gets attached to the lever behind the door handle. So after you remove the door panel from the inside and you remove the linkage from the handle, you're going to find two bolts. One is right here on the inside and one is right here on the door jamb. So let's just, I got the one removed from the inside. Let's just take this one off and you just pull it out like this, slide it down, and it comes out. Now one of the linkage, the opening mechanism, there was a linkage right here and there was one here on the door lock. So, and to put it back in, you're just going to go like this, put it on your bolts, turn in your bolts, and hook up the linkage. So I hope this helped you out in some way, and if it did, please consider subscribing so that you can get my next video.